Shalom guys. So the first thing you want to do is get you a sharp pair of scissors and it's going to take a long time, but very gently and carefully you want to cut little notches in the bottom of your skirt, and over the stubborn areas you might have to kind of cut a little bit deeper, like the part where the seam is like double stitched. But afterwards you just want to go ahead and start breaking apart the fringe or the frayed material, the frayed denim, whatever you want to call it, and just kind of breaking up the material so it get kind of loosened. And the more you do that, the more you'll start to see the fringe. This is what it's looking like right about now. I mean, if you want to stop right there you can, but I didn't. I just continued to keep going and raking it through and stuff like that. So here so far is what it's looking like. And right now I'm just taking my seam ripper and starting to get a little bit more detail and make the fringe or the fray, whatever you want to call it, more defined, and breaking up the fibers just so before I put it in the wash it'll kind of already start breaking up a lot more, and it won't be that much to do once it gets in the washer and dry. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took out I washed it and put it in the dryer, and this is what it came out to look like. It looks good. All that I do is just put the border. Excuse me, my dishwasher's going off, but it looks really, really good. And you can still continue to pick at it if you would like. I did it a little bit this morning, but yeah, it looks really good. It looks really, really good. So y'all let me know if y'all try it or whatever. Give y'all a view of it. Little skirt that I thrifted, and just want to do a DIY to it. So if y'all try it, let me know, tag me, or just let me know you did it. Shalom. Okay, so finished. and did like a double stitch just so it'll stay. Yeah, it looks cute. Let me show y'all.